Hey, it's William Murray here from jvfocus.com. I've put together a short video to show you how to set up conversion funnels in Google Analytics. It's a really simple process that doesn't take too long. When you want to set up conversion funnels, if you're capturing any type of lead or you may be selling a digital product on your website, so if you want to convert your visitors into customers, then you need to set some baselines up where you can measure your conversions and any potential holes you may have in your conversion funnel on each step of the process. So we'll get right to it. If you go into your analytics account and go home and then go to the admin option. Now you want to choose whatever profile you have. I'm going to use a test profile here, and in the all website data section, if you click on goals and then click on create new goal. I'm just going to give this an arbitrary name. We'll call it new Acme conversion. And this will be the final step in your conversion funnel. When you see the visualization of it, this is going to be the name of the final step. And we're going to set it up as a destination. So that may be your thank you page. So that is the final step within your funnel. So we're going to use destination for this example. So if we go to next step, so your destination needs to be equal to whatever your thank you page URL is. And I'm just going to quickly pop that in. And I'll just copy that. The value is a monetary value. Now that's optional. You may not know your monetary value per conversion on your site as yet, which is fine. Once you gather some data after a month or two, then you can work out your visitors to conversions and what the monetary value is for each conversion or customer acquisition. So I'm just going to stick $97 in there for an example. Then we want to enable the funnel option. Now this is going to be, we're going to set up a couple of entry points. We're going to have the main sales page for an example. So I'm just going to call that sales page. And we'll just quickly put in a dummy URL. And we're going to say that this is required. And all this means is that this is going to be the main entry point into our funnel. So all other traffic that may go to your main landing page or your home page or whichever page it may be on your website, on your domain, it's going to ignore that stats, and it's just only going to enter stats that comes into this particular point. In this case, it's going to be our sales.html file. So we're going to add one more step. I'm just going to add one upsell. And we'll just give this an arbitrary name again. And that's it. That's the only steps that we're going to add into this funnel for this example. Now you can verify this goal, and because there isn't any data in here, we're going to have a 0% conversion based on the last 7 days worth of data. Now, if you've got historical data within analytics, then you will potentially get some conversion rates in there, because Google Analytics will have a look at your historical data and work out the funnel structure that you have and give you some percentages. So the final step is to create goal. And you'll see in the next page that we now have our new Acme conversion funnel or goal set up. So in order to see the visualization representation of this, we just need to go back home. So if we just go home and make sure we choose our test one, we're going to go to all website data and go down to the conversion section. So that's just here. Your goals, and then funnel visualization. And that's it, it's all done and set up. As you can see, we've got our sales page, so that's the main entry point of our funnel. Next step is our OTO. In fact, I'm on another one, so let me just quickly change this over. So this is the new Acme one that we set up. So we've got the sales page, our upsell, and our new Acme conversion. So that's the final step. Now once data starts populating on this, and you may have some historical data there already, you're going to have some entry URL points here and some exit points along each step of your funnel. This will give you percentages and give you a real good representation of what your baseline should be, and allow you then to tweak conversions throughout your funnel and increase sales. So that's it. Please subscribe to our channel. Visit us on jvfocus.com, where you'll get a free downloadable report on this tutorial.